Monday, September 23rd, 2024. St. Pius of Pietrelcina, Padre Pio. Focus. Take care then how you hear, for to the one who has, more will be given. Today's Gospel has 3 proverbs pronounced by Jesus. All 3 relate to the Word of God and how it should be radiated to catch the attention and encourage us to listen. The first proverb is an analogy. A lamp in a domestic setup fulfills its purpose only when it is placed on a suitable pedestal. Likewise, those of us to whom the Word of God stands revealed need to be proactive in propagating it to anyone in search of enlightenment. The second proverb appears to apply to the revelatory power of the Word. This is emphasized in the letter to the Hebrews. On another occasion, Jesus himself stressed the futility of trying to keep anything hidden. The third proverb draws a distinction between merely hearing the Word of God and listening, or being obedient to it. It suggests that the more we listen to Jesus' words, the more we would be attuned to hear them. So too, each time we fail to listen, it becomes more difficult the next time around even to hear. Jesus was the personification of wisdom, recorded for our benefit by the evangelists. Are we paying enough attention to how we listen to his priceless words and then act? Fruit. I will endeavor to listen and be obedient to the Word of God.